Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change region in Play Store. First of all, open up the Play Store. After opening the Play Store, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then click on Payment and Subscriptions. From Payment and Subscriptions, tap on Payment Methods. Then tap on More Payment Settings from Payment Methods. Now from Google Payment Method, click on Menu from the top right corner and go into Settings. Then scroll down in Settings and you can see the Country or Region option. Now from Country or Region, click on Create New Profile. Then tap to continue. After that, choose your country or region from here. After selecting the country, tap to continue. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.